Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook pork caldereta. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. You need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, caldereta sauce, cubes, garlic, onions, and then liver spread, peas, water, potatoes, carrots, and then the pork, and then kuan also we need. Okay, we're gonna start now. I'm gonna saute the garlic, the onions, garlic, onions. Guys, so saute the garlic and then the onions. Since we're out of gas, so I transferred in the induction cooker here, induction, because no more gas. And now we're gonna add the pork. The pork I marinated with black pepper and salt. Okay, so we're gonna leave the pork cook first before all the ingredients. Okay, so we're gonna add soy sauce, water, guys. Simmer for how many minutes? Okay, until the meat is going to be cooked. Guys, I'm going to add the caldereta sauce. Also this liver spread. Guys, so that's the liver spread and the water. Okay guys, okay, and then we're gonna simmer again, and then we're gonna add the cubes, and then simmer. Let's wait until the meat is the potatoes and carrots. Peas, the bell pepper. Okay guys, and then simmer again until the potatoes and carrots are cooked. Guys, that's our pork caldereta. It's done, guys. It's super yummy, guys. Look at that one, guys. It's super yummy. Okay, it's tasting time. I'm gonna get just a little pork only. Okay, so this is it. Super hot. Our pork caldereta. It's done, and it's super yummy, guys. Look at that one. Our pork caldereta. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.